I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations, oh. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Hey guys, welcome to this week's bump update. It's your girl Nats, and I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and doing okay. So we are in week 22, officially over the halfway mark in this pregnancy. And I keep saying I can't believe it, but trust me, I really can't believe it. But let's get into this week's bump update. I will not bore you with the long intro. You are already used to everything that we do on a weekly basis in these updates, so let's get straight into it. How far along am I this week? I am 22 weeks pregnant. Almost 23 weeks. I turned 23 weeks in a few days. Okay, and as for baby stats this week, my app is telling me that at 22 weeks, baby is the size of a red bell pepper. Like visioning a red bell pepper and saying, that's the size of my baby right now. It's kind of exciting, to be honest. And in terms of weight and height, so baby is 11 inches long at this point and about 1 pound in weight. So that just means we have graduated from ounces and we have started using terms like pounds, you know, the real deal. So baby is weighing in at about 1 pound right now, which is super exciting. My app says I have 18 weeks to go before I actually have a baby in my house. It's crazy, it's weird. Anyway, in terms of baby's development this week, let us look into what the app is saying. So basically the app is saying that the baby's grip, vision, and hearing are getting stronger, and baby is now, you know, practicing strength by holding the umbilical cord. I hope this baby is not, you know, doing anything dangerous with that cord, even though I know it's strong enough to withhold, you know, the baby's little tug and stuff like that. But you know, just be gentle, okay? The app says the baby's sense of sight is also becoming more fine-tuned, even though the eyes are sealed shut right now. The baby is getting more sensitive to light, so the app is saying like if I should shine like a flashlight over my belly, the baby might be able to sense that and move around a little bit. So I might test that out sometime this week with Adam. And also baby's hearing is developing more day by day, so the app is saying now is a good time to start singing and reading and doing all of the stuff, you know, making baby accustomed to mom's voice, dad's voice, all of that stuff. Really exciting. Yeah, so that is what is happening with baby this week, and let us just move into the best moments of this week. This week was a pretty chill week. The best thing that happened this week was the fact that I am officially on summer break, so yay to that. I can rest, I can get up whenever I want, I can go to bed without getting anxiety that, oh my god, I only have 4 or 5 hours to sleep before I have to be at school teaching. And I can just be at home, edit my work, produce my work, doing all of that stuff. And that is really nice, because when you do a 9 to 5, you barely find time to do the other things that you really want to do. And so I'm appreciating this moment of just peace and quiet, to be honest. Worst moment of this week, there were no worst moments this week. I have been having a pretty chill time. I mean, there was 2 days this week that I had to attend a Zoom training from my company, so basically work but on Zoom, like a training thing that they do every summer and winter. But apart from those 2 days where I was sitting at my computer from 9:30 to 4:30 with only an hour lunch and then maybe 2 10-minute breaks in between, that was pretty devastating. And I started to get delirious inside of my house. Like, I was talking foolishness, I was seeing doubles, all kind of things, because I was just in a training from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Crazy stuff. But apart from that, there hasn't been anything dramatic going on. Symptoms and sickness this week. As for symptoms, I have not recognized any this week. Like, nothing out of the norm that I can say, this is unusual, this is probably a symptom of pregnancy. None of that happened this week. It was a pretty chill week in the, you know, symptoms, sickness kind of department. We have been chilling. Baby Flex has been chilling. This week was a good one. Cravings and or aversion. So cravings, I craved some Burger King burgers. I don't know what's with me and the burgers. Usually I'm not so into burgers. I just pick up McDonald's if I feel the need for any type of thing like that. But specifically, I've been wanting Burger King burgers, and that's been a thing. I have had to have a couple burgers. And I know I've said this in a previous update that I've been wanting burgers. And the funny thing is, my mom said that when she was pregnant with me, all she wanted to eat was burgers. So much so that she strongly believes that my birthmark, the birthmarks that I have on my belly here, the color of it was because she wanted burgers and she didn't get burgers and she scratched. So if you are not a Jamaican and you're watching my video and you wonder why am I saying birthmarks is related to wanting something, not getting it, and scratching, in my culture it is believed that birthmarks come about when the mother wants a particular food and she doesn't get it and she scratches somewhere. So for example, if I want milk and I did not get milk, and then for some reason unintentionally I scratch my arm wanting milk, the baby might get a white birthmark, you know. I am not sure how factual that is on the facts chart, to be honest. I haven't googled it or researched it or anything, but in my culture it is believed that that is how birthmarks come along. So my mom said my birthmarks are related to her wanting burgers and not getting it. Okay, weird food combinations. Oh my god, my phone. Weird food combinations. No weird food combinations. I'm still pretty chill in that department and just eating regular food. Next up, movement. So much movement from Baby Flex this week. As a matter of fact, a couple days ago I had another prenatal appointment and we checked on baby. Not only is Baby Flex so big now, like based on what we were seeing in the first few weeks and then now at 22 weeks, this baby is big. Like, I cannot believe that there is a human being growing inside my belly. It's weird, but yeah, we checked in, you know, did a sonogram and so on, and it was the absolute sweetest thing I have ever seen. Baby Flex put on a show for us. Baby Flex was smiling, yawning, sticking up fingers, putting finger in the mouth, like that sort of thing. So happy and bubbly and just moving around. In there we got some very nice pictures. Those ones I think I am absolutely going to frame. It was just so beautiful to witness. And the good thing about this new hospital that I'm going to is that they record the sonogram. So actually when we're doing the sonogram in the hospital itself, they're also recording it on a device, and then when I'm home I can log in to, you know, this thing with my information, and then I can send the link to friends and family and then they can see the ultrasound. So it is very cool to see and witness. But man, baby is just big and moving. So good. Alright, anything making me queasy or sick? And the answer to that is no. I have been having a pretty chill week, as I have been saying. Am I happy or moody? This week I have been a happy camper. Happy to report that. I think getting a break from just the 9 to 5 and the hustle and bustle of that, being able to, you know, relax, catch up on YouTube videos, catch up on some Netflix show, you know, just be in my element, in my house, in my comfy clothes every day. That has really been working its magic on my mood, and I have been feeling so good. Alright, and the last thing that we are going to be doing in this week's bump update, I feel like this week it's super short because I'm only like 17 minutes in, and I'm sure when I'm editing it's going to cut down even more, but we don't have to make it long if it doesn't need to be long. So we're going to, of course, close out with belly updates as usual. So let me stand up, and this is the belly in close. This is what I have going on here, and then this is what the belly is looking like at 22 weeks. This is from the front. See the navel, it's still halfway in, halfway out. And then this is this side. So these two marks are my birthmarks, and this is what my mom said is related to her wanting burgers and not being able to get it. But I don't know, you guys, like, tell me down below, do you think there is an obvious increase in my belly size each time I do an update? Because I feel as if there isn't. Adam is home. I feel as if there isn't, like, when I film the videos, I don't see my belly getting bigger. I don't know. It looks the same to me every day, to be honest, unless there's like a massive jump, like when I was like in my 12th week, and then, you know, 15th week it changed obviously, but no, I'm like, it looks steady. The one thing I do realize is that it has dropped. In the beginning of the pregnancy, I feel as if the belly was more so up here, like round, but now I feel as if I'm carrying low. So in the beginning I felt as if I was carrying high, like way up underneath my breast, and then now I feel like I'm carrying a little bit low. So yeah, that is this week's update, you guys. Of course, if you did enjoy this week's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Until next time, bye guys.
Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.